Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 11. Lend a helping hand. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 7, under the title of Listening and Speaking, we will learn about seeking permission. And we will cover up question number 9 on page number 87. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about listening and speaking. Practice the given polite words to seek permission. I hope you remember it, this lecture. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. So today, my dear students and my dear teachers, we are going to get more grip about politeness. Okay, so our today's students' learning outcomes are demonstrate convention and dynamics of oral interactions in group, to use polite expressions to seek attention. Okay, so we are going to cover up this SLO, and this is very interesting, my dear students. So be ready and listen carefully. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Araf, verse number 204. So when the Quran is recited, then listen to it and pay attention that you may receive mercy. Yes, my fellow teachers and my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the importance of Al-Quran. So when the Quran is being recited, if you are reciting or it is being recited by anyone, then so what's our duty? So we have to listen it silently and carefully, and we have to pay attention, and we have to focus that what these verses and this Quran is saying to us, because this is the direct message toward us from Almighty Allah. So it's our duty to pay attention and to listen it carefully. So yes, attention. So I hope you have got that. So this is our SLO today. Let's refresh our knowledge and judge what you have in your mind about your previous knowledge. How do you get attention of others? Okay, my dear teachers and my dear students, so you will think and you will give respond to your teacher that how you get attention if you want to talk anyone. So what you do, pause the video and get answer from your students, my dear teachers. Excellent job. I hope you have done it, because already we are getting seeking attention, even we are in class, even we are in home. So we are. So let's see that what is. We use polite expressions to get the attention of a person or group of people. We use different courtesy words to get attention of others. So if we want to get attention if we want to discuss anything with anyone, so definitely there is a way to ask them, to call them. So how you call? So polite words we use if we will be aggressive, if we will call, if we will discuss anything in aggressive mood, to be being an angry. So in angry mood, so definitely no one will listen us. So because this is not good also, this is not a good behavior. So we have to show positive behavior, my dear students, even where we are, even which situation we are, even when you are going to, especially when you are going to call anyone for anything, for any discussion. So we have to use polite expressions, polite words. So see, what is this? Examples are there. Excuse me, listen to me. Yes, the word excuse me, please. Okay, so these words are called polite words to seek attention while calling anyone. Even you are in class, when you are calling to each other, to your classmate, so you can say that like, excuse me Ali, excuse me Aisha, give me that, would you help me? So in this way, so such type of words shows, creates love and kindness with each other. Okay, so keep remember, my dear students. So excuse me, listen to me. So this is the way to call that if we are going to discuss anything. So this is the way, my dear students. Next is, may I talk to you for a moment? Oh yeah, may I talk to you for a moment? So I am asking from you. So without getting attention and without no need to talk directly, without seeking attention, without calling, without getting permission. So no need to, if you are sitting there and you are started, no. Okay, so first seek attention, call them, get time, then you have to talk. Okay, these are called manners. So we have to follow manners. Would you please open the door for me? So look there, what he's saying, would you please open the door for me? Is requesting also, and he's saying also in a polite way. So how it looks so good, and it cools us when we listen good things. Okay, so it cools us, so definitely it cools us others also. Okay, so we have to act in a nice way. Yes, can I ask for help, please? So purchasing it through him, that can I ask help to you? If you need anyone's help, you want that someone should help you. So there is a way, polite expressions are there. So you have to, and one thing keep in mind, my dear teachers and my dear students, words are words. Your behavior, your way of speaking impact other. Keep, if you will say something in harsh way, okay, so it will impact badly. And if same words, if you will say with love, politeness, so definitely it will give a good impact, and we will get help also if we need help, if we want to discuss anything. So we can discuss anything, we can share our ideas easily. So always keep this quality in your personality, that we have to be polite with others, even elders, even youngers. Okay, so keep in mind, my dear students. Okay, let's perform an activity like attention seeking activity. Open your book, page number 87, question number 9. So yes, my dear teachers, you will open their book and you will get them, let them read these expressions, then call them in front of class. They will read these expressions in a nice way. Perform this activity in class and enjoy. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed and you got that how we can seek anyone's attention. Good job. So what's our homework for today? Write 10 expressions to seek attention in your notebooks. Yes, my dear students, so what you will write? You will write 10 expressions, 10 sentences of seeking attention in your notebook. Yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet and this worksheet link is given below. Download it and provide it to your students to get more information about seeking permission and seeking attention. So wrap up what we have learned today. Today we learned about the way to seek attention of someone politely, in a polite way, how we can seek attention. And this way we have covered up our SLO. Demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to use polite expressions to seek attention. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. We will meet soon, inshallah. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.